In the background, you can hear we got a little welding going on right now, and that's in our 67 442 project car, Restomod. Right down over there, Bill, the main man, is doing it. When we have rust issues on these cars, you know, we want to make sure that we're putting the metal back in where the rust was at. We're not just going to fill it up with a bunch of Bondo and stuff. So we actually create the panel, we make the piece, and we install it back on that car. I mean, these cars are made out of metal, and if they're rusty, you got to put them back together with metal. So you got to weld them in. You got to weld all those pieces in, and that way they're structurally sound. You retain the strength of the panel. Bill's the man. As far as when this kind of stuff goes, he does magic with some of this stuff. You can't repair these cars without knowing this kind of stuff. So if you got something like this and you need it done, you know where to bring it. Right here at Muscle Cars of Texas.